Okay. So this white background is, what's the word we're looking for? Boring. So there's a great way to make it better. And it's not just because it looks cute and neat, because, like, that's true, but it's also because you can really do some neat things with it. So I want to just show you, we're going to imagine, right, let's imagine that I have a bunch of pages now. So we're going to make a couple of math pages. I'm just going to type in math here, and we'll know that, oops, this is a math page. Um, and then we're going to paste that here. That's a math page. Woo! And then this is a literacy page. So we're going to say this is literacy. And every once in a while it says I'm spelling things wrong even when I'm not, and it really drives me crazy. So we've got literacy pages and things here, and it's hard to tell unless you go here whether or not you're on a literacy or a math page. So we'll go and like make a new page. But what if, whoops, so we wanted math up here. You can move these, by the way. So this is fun. So we can just shift pages. And I'm going to put this one down here. So here's a math page. And I'm going to choose a background. I'm going to go to this little part here, and you'll notice it says Gallery Essentials. If I just click on Gallery Essentials, right? And you'll see down here backgrounds and themes. And so there are a ton, which is great because here you can put in grid paper. So you can have large grid paper. Yes, that is awesome. Just let that sink in for a second of all the things you can do. See, because we could then go and take a shape, right? You could make a whole outline of, say, here for a graph, right? So we get rid of this. And now when we go, we could just go and put in rectangles, right? And kids could start making bar graphs, right? We could go and say we want that next one to be green, right? We want the next one, we could do it and change this next one to be a purple bar, right? So we can make all kinds of cool stuff here, and that's obviously really fast and very wonky, but nevertheless, the potential is amazing. So what's even better here is, and I guess not even better than that, because that's pretty amazing, is that I can change things so that if I want to have like a theme, so maybe like I want to go and I'm just going to have all of my math pages are going to have this theme with the corn stalks. So then I can go here and I can go and set background, and I can make them all have corn stalks. And then here I can do it again. And that way, right, whenever I have this, right, I go math and delete. I can go over here, and if I go here, I can go and clone this page, and so I can make a whole nother page of that, which is really great because now, right, I've got my 3 different pages, and so instantly it saves the background. So cloning a page is really great too. What's even better now is, whoops, when I go here and I'm in literacy, now I can go and I can just choose something different. So I'm going to choose something where it's got an entirely different color, right? So theme on just the pages in the current group, right? So I can choose all the pages in that current group, and it changes that theme. And when we look now, all of the ones in the group, remember when you're thinking, grouping isn't so great. Imagine if you then had 20 pages and you didn't want to have to select each. Now you can go and do that for all the pages in the group. So this is a great way. So now when we start going through, we know that anything that has the corn stalks is math, and anything that has the books is literacy. So there's a lot of great stuff that we can do here with this, and it's a great way to be able to denote differences in pages. So that's backgrounds, grouping of backgrounds, and grid paper. Pretty cool stuff.